hello again mga ka-friendship, mga ka-beauties. Pagkatapos kong mag first impression, sunod naman natin gawin is itong unboxing. Yan. Actually, nabuksan ko na to kung saan ko pinick up kasi kailangang i-check muna and then mag-signature doon. So, ayan, nabuksan ko na siya. Pero, ulitin kong i-unbox for all of you. Kaya ko ito nagustuhan bilhin is yung kanyang heating panel is made of ceramic tourmaline ionic flat iron. Kung ganong klase yung flat iron niya, hindi siya nag-overheat and hindi nasisira yung hair. And another thing na nagustuhan ko is yung kanyang heating panel is very wide. Yan siya. Malapad. I have one, pero yun yung regular size lang, mga 1 inch. This one is 4.5 centimeters wide by 10 centimeters long. And yung kanyang handle type is scissor type. Yan siya. Madali lang siyang gamitin. Dito sa kanyang front panel, meron siyang venting holes. Yan. To release yung steam kapag wet hair yung ida-dry mo. Or paggagamitan mo ng flat iron. Isa pang kagandahan nito, it has 4 temperature adjustments. Ayan siya. From 160 degrees Celsius and increases by increments of 20 degrees Celsius hanggang 220. So, it's 160, 180, 200, and 220. Yung kanyang power button, meron dito sa ilalim. Fast heating din to, only in 15 seconds, and pwede mo na siyang gamitin. Power voltage niya is 220 to 240 volts and 60 watts to. Itong kanyang cable length is 2.5 meters. Yan, mahaba. 2.5 meters. So let me just heat this up and ready to iron my hair. Tingnan natin how it works. Oh, yan, mainit kagad. Wala pang 15 minutes. So, we'll turn it down to 160. Glide smoothly, ever so smoothly sa hair. Okay, so mga ka-beauties, I am recommending you this hair straightener because it's very easy to use and meron siyang 4 temperature levels which meet the needs of every hair quality. And also, it creates a silky, shiny hair instantly. Ayan o. Silky, soft, and smooth. Ang ganda-ganda naman ng hair straightener na to. Well, I'll give this a 5 star. 5 being the highest. Pakita ko sa inyo kung saan ko siya binili. It's an online shop. Nasaan na ba yun? Click ko lang siya doon sa may UO online shop. And yung pangalan niya doon is UO Best Ceramic Tourmaline Ionic Flat Iron Hair Straightener. Yan. 84 shekels siya. Discounted price yun kasi binili ko to nung holiday. Start ng holiday nila dito. So, dating price nito is 326 and yung discount niya is 74%. So, ito yung aking mini unboxing for today and sana nagustuhan nyo. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.